Hey guys, I need to talk loud because my dad's blowing the leaves, and today, remember in the new animatronic video, I kind of, not a lot, showed my playgrounds. Well, today we're actually going on it, so I'm gonna need to speak up a little because it's gonna get loud. All right. My dad said, yep, don't drop this in the leaves. Okay, so this is the ladder. Say ladder, so you know, climb up carefully while looking at this. So I can't show you the funnest part because it's kind of falling apart. Well, do I really need to talk that loud? I don't know. Okay, so here's the top. I guess you can kind of see behind my head. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh shoot, I forgot. There's what is it? Oh yeah, beehives in here. So here's the first slide. I don't know if you guys can see. Just don't complain if you can't see the slide when I'm going down. So I hope you could see that. And now I'm going to show you my secret way around. I'm going to show you my secret stage that nobody knows about except me and my grandma. So it's back here at the end where like the gate is. So here it is. So I need to step up a little. Whoa. So there was some logs. You couldn't see it, but there were some logs over there. I needed to jump on to get through. I'm really close to the forest right now. Yeah, I'm really close to the forest, I said. If you couldn't hear me. So now, is this it? No. My sister's coming. She cannot know about my secret stage. This is really close to the forest. So I need to really speak up. But there's two trees right here. And that's the secret stage. So that's the secret stage. And here's my shit that everybody can know about. This is just close to my neighbor's. I live on a cliff, if you knew that. Yeah, I could show you the cliff, actually. I could show you the cliff, like, seriously. It's down there. See where it ends? That's where it ends. That's the cliff. I meant. So, I guess I can show you a tour of my ship, but my sister's trying to follow me. We need to get away from her. If you could speak up, I guess I can't. This is my shed right here. Oh, she's coming. I'm gonna need her. Go! Run for it! I know, did you see that wood? Well, that was actually the beginning of my okay, my sister's always here. So say hi, Ellie. She's picking some leaves. Ellie, say hi. And by the way, it's her birthday, November 2nd. But she picked something weird up. So now I guess I can show you the second, but I'm gonna need to get my butt wet for this. So, sisters. My sister's always right behind me. My God, bruh. Why should I be spinning? I'm like 14 minutes in. Wait, no, I'm not 14. All right, here is the tube slide. That's, well, at least that's what I like to call it. Okay, I'm gonna get my butt wet. Okay, there's no turning back. Oh. Ooh. All right, my dad's right here. I think we're gonna go to the forest again. Because he's getting a little too close. All right, going to the forest. Okay, so yeah, I guess he's kind of close to my ship, but I could do like a quiet tour. No, then you couldn't hear me, so I'm gonna need to do a loud tour. If you already have your speakers up high, turn them down, because it's about to get loud. So, okay, so my ship. So there's a leaked toilet, I guess. That's like the That's the toilet. My sister's always here. She's a little crazy. Here's the cameras to watch out for a virus. So, well, next part's kind of dangerous. Here's another camera. And these are all like trees. So, can you see that I went down and now up? If you could kind of tell that I'm doing that. So, I guess you could, here's like, I'm blocking it. So, that's my sister again. That's the wheel. I need to go to the bathroom, kinda. I could wait. Should I sneak? I'm gonna need to go. So run for it. Run for it. All right, get in. Okay, I guess my sister's gonna follow me. So this is almost another 9 minutes. So if I add this